Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the WOLF Garten Narrow Garden Floral Hoe HUM10235600, a must-have tool for any gardening enthusiast. This hoe features a sharp 4-inch steel blade that cuts through weeds quickly and effortlessly, making your gardening tasks a breeze. Its unique, ergonomically curved head allows for comfortable, stand-up straight gardening, reducing strain on your back. The narrow width is perfect for working between flowers and small rows, ensuring precision and care in your garden. Please note that the WOLF Garten handle is sold separately, and we recommend pairing it with the WOLF Garten ZMA150 59-inch handle for optimal performance. Crafted with German engineering, this tool promises durability and reliability, backed by a 10-year warranty. Elevate your gardening experience with the WOLF Garten Narrow Garden Floral Hoe and enjoy a more efficient and comfortable way to maintain your garden. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.